Hi, poor guy here. This is what I'm doing today. This is actually part of a collab with the gentleman over at Just Cook the Damn Food. That's the name of their channel, and I'll share a link for them. We're doing a burger collab, hashtag Burger Dreams. So this is what I'm coming up with. I am doing a buffalo chicken burger per se. Look in there. There's some ground chicken, one chicken breast, because I'm only making one burger. Nobody else is going to eat this. I'm not even sure I'm going to. Here's my idea. Haven't done this. I'm going to take some Frank's Red Hot Buffalo seasoning. I'm going to pour it in there. I'm going to make a little chicken ball. And I'm going to take it out there and I'm going to press it on the Blackstone. I don't know how thin, I don't know how thick. Okay, and then when I come in, I'm going to make a mixture of Frank's Red Hot and some butter. And I'm going to dip that patty in there. I'm going to put some Munster cheese. Why Munster? Because I love it. Dawn loves it too. And then I'm going to top it off with some great value blue cheese dressing and dip. Why didn't they get real blue cheese? Because nobody in the house eats blue cheese except for me. And I don't know when I'd use it again. And this will last longer if I want to have it on a salad. And I bought a couple of these little Kaiser rolls. We're going to put it all together and see how it goes as part of this Burger Dream, hashtag Burger Dream collab. I love burgers. I mean, it's still a burger if it's not beef. I'm just saying. It's a chicken burger. I think that'll be okay. All right, we're going to get everything put together. I'm going to go ahead and add the seasoning to this and make a meatball, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, come on back. Peace. Look at my chicken ball. It's bigger than I thought. Like I said, it was one chicken breast. We ground it up using that KitchenAid over there. Worked out pretty well. I did add some of this Frank's already. I'm going to add a little bit more because I love Frank's, and we want to make this relatively spicy. I'm going to add some more of that. So the size of the chicken ball. I'm going to use this because I don't want it super thin. We'll see how that works out. So meet me outside. I got to turn on the Blackstone and everything and get that fired up for this wonderful chicken buffalo blue burger, chicken burger. All right. Peace. Okay. I got the Blackstone fired up, right? Kind of the same principle if you're doing a smash burger, like hamburger. There's my little chicken ball. Actually, it's a big chicken ball. I don't know what to tell you. It's a little windy out here in Oklahoma. It's nice out though. Doesn't take much to smash down ground chicken, that's for sure. Let's just leave it there for a minute. See, I told you it was windy. Okay, so out here we're just going to fry up this chicken burger. And we're going to put some mozzarella cheese in. We're going to finish it in the house. I'll temp it, make sure it's at 165. I'm the only one eating it. I'm not even sure I'm going to eat it. But like I said, the guys over at Just Cook the Damn Food, they invited me to do this collab. I'm not sure if anybody else is in it, to be honest with you. But this is what I came up with, a little bit different, I think. So Just Cook the Damn Food, you're going to have to check out their channel. Ooh, look at that bad boy. Okay, we're going to let that cook up. I got this. This is Blackstone. Dawn bought this for me. Don't worry, I've only melted it like 15 times. But this is really good for smash burgers because you can get under it and flip it. It's by Blackstone. Stick around here for a minute or two until I flip it. What do you want to talk about? You think this will be good? You're not going to eat it, are you? That depends what it looks like. Yeah.
It smells really good.
Yeah. Lovely. Well, lovely weather we're having. Supposed to get colder tomorrow, I guess. I really want to flip it, but I should wait. Tell you what. Come on back when I flip it, because I got nothing else to say.
Hi.
All right, peace. Let's flip it. Ooh, that ain't so bad. It's chicken, so it's not going to shrink down an awful lot. So that's gonna be a big burger. I hope it'll fit on that Kaiser roll. We're gonna throw some Munster on that. You guys like Munster? Man, we love it, don't we? Yes. Hello, Sebastian. How are you doing? Okay, good. Very good. Where is it? There it is. Oh, you put it right underneath the Blackstone, didn't you? Ready? That's a good boy. I gotta cut the lawn today. Well, I gotta cut the weeds. Don't show them the weeds. Cooking a chicken burger. Ain't nothing better on a Saturday morning. I wonder how long I gotta cook it. Does anybody know? Here's my little thermal pop. I love this thing. It was $15 plus tax. Amazon.
Different colors.
Different colors indeed. I'm looking for a 165. Not quite there. I see some juice coming out of there. I'll do. You know who that is?
Yeah.
The non-waivers. Throw the ball. Let's put some cheese on it because it's gonna be done pretty quick. So is that like 150? So call for 1 or 2 pieces, you think?
I think too.
I love Munster. Yeah, let's go with 2, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. That looks good.
It does. It smells really good.
Yeah. This might be something. We're going to have Dawn taste it. Maybe not on video, but I'll have her taste it. Because if we like this, then we could put this in the dinner / lunch rotation for the house. Yeah, we're there. When it was like 170.
Yeah.
I don't mind overcooking my chicken. All right, so. Yeah, we're there. I'm gonna let that cheese melt up for just a minute. We'll turn it off. And then we'll bring it inside and I'll show you what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
My big surprise. Well, I already told you what I was gonna do. My big buffalo burger, chicken burger piece. There's my chicken patty. Look how big it is. That's one chicken breast, like I said, ground up. This is my thought right here. Let's go ahead and grab the sucker and just, oh. Yeah, yeah. I'm going to take some of this blue cheese. I'm going to put it on the bottom. Oh, it doesn't even have a little squirt.
I think you flipped the top.
Huh?
Doesn't have a flip thing?
Oh, maybe. I didn't even think about that. Oh, yeah. Set that aside. Grab my burger. Oh, yeah. I love Frank's. Oh, yeah. Save that Frank's for later. Son of a gun, you were right, honey. Very smart. Oh, I could taste that Frank's on my thumb. Whew. Just look at it. That's a work of art. Should we do a thumbnail now or cut it?
I would cut it. I don't know. We can.
Let's do a thumbnail now and then I'll cut it. Be right back. Gotta do a thumbnail. Let's cut this sucker in half. It is like messy. I'm actually very excited about this. At first I was thinking, I don't know. See, if I cut it in half, I knew I probably would have messed it up for the thumbnail. So, ooh, this is going to be spicy. Oh, I can taste that blue cheese. It ain't half bad. Oh yeah, looks like a mess, huh? All right, bear with me. It's probably going to be really messy. It's sliding everywhere. Oh boy. Oh. Mm. Wow. That's actually really good.
Is it?
Yeah. It's actually really good. I like it. I might have put a little bit too much blue cheese on it because it's sliding everywhere, but Manny, I'll tell you, that's a freaking
What's the texture like?
it's similar to a burger. It's not weird or anything. It doesn't bother me. After we get done, you're gonna have some. You'll like it. Frank's, it's good. Buffalo wing sauce, Frank's red hot and butter. That's how you do it. That's all you need. And actually, the Munster on there with the blue cheese, that's a hit. I'm really digging it. I will make these again. I'll have to see what Don thinks. I don't really care about what the kids think. That's our entry for the hashtag Burger Dreams collab. Like I said, make sure you check out folks over at Just Cook the Damn Food. Oopsie, that's the name of their channel. And those guys got it going on. They have a lot of fun. They cook really good food. So that's it. Peace.